What's up, pranksters? Welcome to Sinnex TV. And yeah, I know, this is totally different than what you guys are used to on my main channel. I never really do such things on my main channel, but this is Sinnex TV. And on this channel, I'm gonna do all kinds of things. For example, I'm doing my intro without wearing my mask. But yeah, of course, I'm blurring out my face. Well, actually, I'm not gonna blur it out. I'm just gonna put a big old black square to cover my face so you guys don't see it. At least not just yet. But anyway guys, the purpose of this video is to talk about my mask. Now, I've been wearing this mask for the longest time, and I think that maybe it's time for us to give it a little change, switch up a few things on the design, maybe make a totally different mask. But before we continue talking about this mask, I better put it on, because I'm sure you guys are getting annoyed by this black square in the center of your screen. Alright, much better. Can't forget about my shades. And of course, my hat. Alright, now I'm more comfortable talking to you guys on screen. So what I was saying guys, I've been wearing this mask for the longest time. And I feel that maybe we need to change it up a bit, redesign it, give it a new look. Something that will appeal to most people. Some people are scared of clowns. Some people think I'm a clown. When I designed this mask, I didn't really intend to make it to look like a clown. I myself don't think it looks like a clown, but I do get a lot of comments of people saying, why am I wearing this sock on my face? Why are you wearing a clown mask? Well, it's not a clown mask and it's not a sock. So how I make this mask? Well, I've shown you before. So basically, I take a beanie. I buy a beanie for like $2. Depends on the store. First, I turn it inside out and I begin cutting it to expand it so it can cover my whole face. After that, I locate the good spot to cut out the eyes so that I'm able to see you guys. I usually go to Party City and get me a clown nose. Now that clown nose is too big for this mask. So what I do is I cut it in half and then trim it off a little bit more. And then I just hot glue it on the center. So it's basically on my nose. And then I just do the little designs. I put some markings on the bottom of the eyes and on top. Although you guys can't really see them that much. But they're right here. And that's it guys. There's not much that goes into making this mask. But I know you guys are tired of it. Maybe you're tired of me wearing a mask, period. I'm not sure yet. But anyway, what do you guys think? Should I get a new mask? Should I redesign this mask? Or should I let you guys do it? Well, in all honesty, guys, I am tired of the mask. I am tired of having to sweat because I got like a bunch of lights beaming at me right now. And it gets really hot and I'm just kind of tired of that. Although, I don't really have to comb my hair. I don't have to do much to my face. I just put on the mask. Problem solved, right? I know a lot of YouTubers, they care about what they look like, so they go and brush their hair, put on some gel, maybe fix their eyebrows, whatever it is that they need to do. They even have to shave at times. But I don't, because all I do is just put on the mask, put on the sunglasses and the hat, and I'm good to go. It's not that hard for me, but when I'm making the videos, it does get really hot. It does get hot, guys. I got a new lighting kit, and this one is way worse than the last one I had, so it's really, really hot, and I'm tired of it. So, maybe I should make a mask that reveals my mouth. That way I can get more air into my face. Or maybe I could reveal the top of my head. That's a possibility, right? What do you guys think? How should I redesign my mask? While thinking about this, I decided to come up with a contest. Now before, I think it was like 3 years ago, I had a drawing contest. Whoever could draw me the best would automatically be entered into a drawing, and then at random I would choose a winner. This time, I'm gonna create a different contest. It's gonna be on Instagram, so if you wanna participate, you have to have an Instagram account and you have to be following me at real_Nextraker. Basically, the contest is you guys have to make a mask for me. You have to design a new mask. It has to be really creative, really cool. You guys can just take what I have right now, consider this a canvas, and just let your imagination run wild and create something awesome. A fun looking mask, a fun appealing mask, a mask that everybody will like. So, redesign it any way you want, guys. Draw a picture or make it digital. Whatever it is, tag me on Instagram and hashtag it new next mask. Just like that, guys. And then I will look at those masks. I will look at the designs. I will personally pick one and I will make that mask and wear it. Now, what does the winner get? Well, not only will I wear their mask, their design, but they will also get a prize. And in the past, I've given out PlayStations, Xboxes, hoverboards. What else should I do next? Well, some people don't really care for those things. They just want the money. Now, I'm not going to give anybody cash. What I will do is give them a gift card. a $150 Amazon gift card so you can get yourself whatever you want that you can possibly get for $150. So that's all the winner's gonna get, a $150 gift card from Amazon. Now this contest begins now and it ends October 25th, 2018. That's when I'll pick the winner, and that's when I'll try to make the mask that the winner designed. So remember, Instagram guys, go ahead, take out your pens, papers, markers, crayons, whatever it is that you guys need, and start designing me a new mask. Take a picture of it or make it digital, post it on Instagram, and then again, hashtag me new Next mask. That's it guys. I'll look for it, and if I like it, I'll send you a DM confirming that you have won. Just know that this contest is open to anybody. I don't care about your age. You could be 130 years old, or you could be a little baby. You can enter this contest, and I don't care where you live. You could live in Alaska, Africa, India, anywhere. You're eligible, guys. All you gotta do is be a fan of mine, and hopefully you guys subscribe to this channel, because I'll be announcing the winner here on this channel, but I will confirm the winner on Instagram, real_Nextraker, so follow me on there as well, guys. I'm really excited about this because I really want to make a new mask. I'm tired of the same old thing. I want something new. I want something different. So hopefully you guys put your best efforts into this and design me an awesome mask. Here's a little example of what you guys can do. Yeah, I know, it looks kind of similar to my old mask, but it is different. You guys can obviously tell now that I have a mouth, which I didn't have in the other mask. And then I just switched up the design a little. See? This looks creepier actually. This would be an awesome Halloween mask. And it actually didn't come out that bad. Maybe I should go trick-or-treating with this mask. Well guys, design me an awesome mask so that I don't have to wear this one. You guys don't necessarily have to make it out of a beanie. Get creative. That's all I'm asking. Because I already have so many masks that look like this. Just watch. That is a lot of masks that I've made throughout the years. And I've thrown away a lot also. These are the ones that I had in my closet. Now, as far as the face reveal that may or may not happen on my 10th anniversary here on YouTube, which is November 1st, 2018, I don't know yet, guys. I've addressed it so many times on my main channel. I still don't know. I give you reasons why I will do it, and I give you reasons why I won't do it. I still don't know. There's still plenty of time to decide that. But one thing that I know for sure, guys, that if I do end up doing a face reveal, it probably won't be on my main channel. I think that I'll just do it on this channel because I've already established the character on my main channel and I don't want to ruin it. So if I did end up doing a face reveal, it will probably be here on Sinnex TV. Now, for those of you who don't know anything about Sinnex TV, well, I created this channel about 2 years ago with my good friend Fatal. He's still around and he's actually coming back and he's gonna join me in creating more content for you guys here on this channel. I know I've been pretty concentrated on my main channel, Nextraker, but now I'm back on Sinnex TV, guys, and I'm gonna upload regularly as much as I can for you guys. It's gonna be all kinds of videos. In the past, I've mainly concentrated on simple DIY and life hacks that would definitely save the day if you guys were in need of a solution. What's up, guys? Welcome to Sinnex TV. I'm Nex from Nextraker, and this is Fatal, my homie. If you ever come across one of these, you'll notice that there are multiple uses for these. So in this video, we're gonna show you 5. I'm gonna start you off with some really cool hacks you can do in the bathroom.
If you have some razors sitting in your restroom and they're rotting because they're too exposed to water, then what you wanna do is just take your binder clip like I have here. You just swallow this puppy just like this.
So right now we're in the inside of my car and I'm gonna show you guys this cool hack that you guys can do.
Now say you're getting some cereal, right? Or these are a bag of chips and you pour some.
Well, now I'm gonna concentrate on other things and try to make this channel more fun for you guys. So I hope you subscribe and turn on all bell notifications so you guys get alerted of when we upload our next video. With that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out this video. I hope you gave it a like and that you share so that everybody gets a chance to enter this contest. Again, thank you, and I'll see you pranksters in my next Sinnex TV video. I just feel like doing a face reveal right now. Should I take off this mask right now?